So behind us is a crazy raging river. We have this metal bar right here, which means the boys and I are about to play Last to Fall In Win. Let's go! Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hang. I don't want to fall in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. Fall off. Fall off. That river was crazy. We ended up like all the way down there. So the winner of round 1 was me, but for round 2, no fighting. Oh my God. I already feel it.
You guys are going down.
I'm not letting go. Oh, my hands. Bro, I can't feel my hands anymore.
I'm gonna slip. I'm gonna slip.
Oh! No! I won again. So I won the first 2 rounds. Boys, pull together.
I'm trying over here. I'm trying.
Like, come on. So for the last round, you have to hang on the bar, pull up, clap, and then catch it and don't fall. By the way, whoever wins this gets $100.
Oh, I'm really winning.
Let's go. Let's go. Pull up and clap. In 3, 2, 1. Oh! All right, Cam, like I promised, your money.
Woo, let's go.
Psych. Oh my God. All right, I'm just kidding. I still will give him his money.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. So Lexi's mad at me because I pranked her for a video, so I got her some stuff so that she hopefully forgives me. All right, I got you candy. Oh my God. Lexi. Jesus. All right, Lexi, please. No. Lexi, I got you your favorite Starbucks drink.
PJ?
Guess the price. No, come on.